how to make fitness trainer website on Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna step by step show you how to create your own website on squarespace.com. So it may sound complicated, but in fact it's really easy to do, and in a few minutes I will show you how to do it. First of all, you need to create an account or log into your account on squarespace.com. As you can see, I already did it and I'm in my account. So next you just need to click this button, get started, and choose what type of website you want to create, what's your site about, topic of your website. Anyway, we are making fitness website, fitness trainer website, so just typing fitness trainer, and you can choose just fitness or fitness instruction or fitness training or sports training. I think we're gonna choose fitness instruction because it's the closest option to fitness trainer in my opinion. You can choose another one if you want. So now what do you want to do with your website? We need to choose purposes of our website. I guess we need to sell services as a personal trainer maybe, or maybe sell memberships, and I think we need to publish a blog or other media about our trainings, and of course we need to showcase work and maybe build community. Yes. So anyway guys, feel free to choose whatever you want here, whatever you need, what's your site really about, and I'm gonna move forward. How would you like to start building your website? So here guys, you have two options. You can build your website with AI, or you can choose from a curated set of professionally designed website templates. Honestly guys, I'm not a big fan of AI, and I really like to work with templates. That's why I'll pick this one, browse templates. And here guys, you just need to choose the template that you think is the best for you and for your business, for your website. Also guys, here you can manage some stuff about types of your website. For example, if you want to have a blog on your website, you need to select this one, or if you don't need the blog section, you can unselect this. If you want to have a one-page website, you need to select this one. So basically everything is really easy to manage. Also here you can change topic of your website. Just for this video, just for an example, I'm gonna choose this one because I really like this template. I think this looks kinda nice. Also here you can change sample color presets. Now this template's kinda black and white. We can change it. We can do it reddish or bluish, pinkish, whatever, but later I'm gonna show you how to change colors more accurate, because here we have only 12 options. It's not a big amount. So now we need to create site name. Here it is, site name. Oh no, not really. We need to select the site's language. I don't know why. First time I am seeing this one, this setting. I never saw it. So basically English site language, yes. And here is it, site name. For example, I'm gonna name it Vlad the Trainer, because my name is Vlad, by the way. but doesn't really matter. Some tips, we don't need them. And here it is. In the left you can see menu. In this menu you can manage some stuff about your website. For example, you can manage some products and services, or invoicing, or content and memberships, donations, scheduling, whatever you want. Also you can see analytics here, very interesting and very useful page, because here you can see information about your traffic on your website, amount of visits, amount of unique visitors, amount of page views, bounce rate, even the geography of your visitors. Very interesting page. Really recommend you to use this, kinda essential, you know. So, but first of all we need to check pages, because maybe you'd like to delete some of them or add new page. You can easily add new page here or delete any of those. You can see this bin image and you can delete, or you can change the order, manage some stuff about pages, whatever you want. And when you're done, you can also change site styles, change themes, fonts, colors. As I told you, we can change colors. We can change any color of any element to basically any color you want. Uh, very easy and kinda. So I'm not gonna do it right now because I don't really need it. I think every user will be able to do it uh, by himself. But you can use ready-made themes. For example, you can have a professional theme, or playful, or sophisticated, whatever, friendly, bold, innovative. For example, let's choose friendly, this one. I think this looks nice. And we need to save changes here. Reload this for some reason. And now we can move straight to editing this website. You just need to click this edit button, and now you can edit basically everything. Uh, First of all, you can edit this section, first section here. You can edit this background. You can change this man to, for example, yourself. You can put your image right here. Just click this button, edit section, background, and you can replace it. You can upload image of yourself from your computer easily. Just for an example, just to show you, I'm gonna use free images by squarespace.com. For example, strong man. For example, this is your picture, or this is your picture, and you can easily put it right here. Oh, it's kinda vertical, you know, we need the horizontal picture, but doesn't really matter. Just for an example, that will do. Now you can change this text, you can change the placement of this text, you can change the size. Basically, to change this text, just select this text, delete it, and you can write whatever you want. For example, hello, my name is Vlad, and I can be your personal trainer. And you can do these pictures, like you can scale it like this and do it even bigger. You can change this button, for example. Yes, let's scale this section a little bit, and you can change this button contact. You can change text of this button, for example, join our gym. It's basically nice. Also, you can change the link of your button and even design here. um, Next, you can delete, for example, the whole section, like here, remove section, or you can add a new section. You can add a blank section, or for example, intro, contact, about, people, products section, whatever you want. Uh, Also, you can delete any of element, for example, this, and you can add new element. Just click this button, add block, and you can add text, image, video, audio, button, whatever you want. I already showed you how to work with text and how to work with image. You can upload it, browse stock images, whatever you want. You can scale sections. You can move the order of section. For example, you want move this section up. You just need to click this button, move up, and now this section is first. Also, you can toggle to mobile view. This is a version of your website on the mobile device, and you can edit this view just to make it more right, you know. So guys, in general, the site has a lot of functions, so I recommend you try this by your own. Don't forget to save changes as frequently as possible, and the entire interface of the site, as you can see, is very clear to any user. And when you are done editing your website, you need to save, you need to click this button, exit, and if you want to publish your website so anyone can see it, you need to upgrade your account. You need to click this button, subscribe, and select the plan. Simple plans, simple prices. Only pay for what you really need. All plans come with our 24/7 customer support. I want to recommend you basic or advanced if you want to sell something on your website. This is the best option. But if you don't want to sell anything, you can choose business one, only $23 per month, most popular option. But anyway, you need to choose by yourself here, and when you're done, you'll get publish button right here instead of subscribe button, also blue, and you will be able to publish your website very easy. So I think that in this video I showed you enough of the basics of using this website. I hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching and see you soon.